Hi, I am your host. You can call me LaydBunz. I am the creator, the maker, the booty shaker. I am the I am. No, seriously. I am the creator of all these beautiful artworks and designs. It is a unique brand with one-of-a-kind outfits. I believe in slow fashion and recycling old materials. This is my slow ascent to greatness. I am a fashion and textile designer and artist. I do traditional art, pen and canvas, as well as sculpture, digital and other unique arts. I love doing fantasy, psychedelic, spiritual black artworks. Watch me as I navigate through life through my designs with my autoimmune diseases and show you the ways of the textile shinobi.